Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another Dollar Tree craft video. I really tried hard this year to DIY and craft my gifts, and I figured it would also be a good way to share with you guys to spark ideas for you. Not all gifts need to be overly expensive, especially if you are someone on a budget. All of these items in this craft were from the Dollar Tree besides the resin, which I have seen at Dollar Trees before, and the spackling, which you will see later on is from the Home Depot. For this first portion of the video, I saw these ice cube trays at the Dollar Tree and knew I could use them as molds with resin to create little decor pieces. I made sure to mix white mica powder and some Dollar Tree fake snow to give the molds a more snowy white finish as opposed to just a clear resin finish. Oh, also, if you are seeing my channel of DIY crafts for the first time, please hit that subscribe button below. I try to do a lot of Dollar Tree related content with crafts, cleaning, and organizing, and we'd love to have you join the crafting family. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers and would love to have more DIY crafters joining in on the fun to spark ideas in the comment section. "24 hours later came painting, which is also why I made the molds a shade of white to save time on the painting and give it, again, the more snowy white finish. Painting always takes a while, so let me speed this up while I apply many coats of the acrylic paint. Next up is the fun part. I got the Styrofoam and cake decorating kit from the Dollar Tree. The lightweight spackling is from the Home Depot. First, I need to cut the Styrofoam to fit inside the mug so the spackling has something to stick to and I'm not just wasting spackling. I saw these cone styrofoams at the Dollar Tree and figured it would be a good foundation to have when applying the spackling too.
It feels so good. Yeah, it's Christmas time.
I then, using a Dollar Tree cake decorating kit, scooped the lightweight spackling to put it in the decorating bag. As far as I know, you really can't clean out spackling and reuse these bags again, so going to the Dollar Tree to get them really is cost effective. I chose my desired cake decorating tip and got started piping around the coffee cup on top of the styrofoam, following the patterns all the way up to create a fake whipped cream look.
Yeah, it's Christmas time.
Then was placing of the resin decor I painted earlier. I wanted one cup to be more penguins and candy canes, and the second cup was going to be more candy cane themed. They were easy to place, and I ended up changing my mind on where I wanted things, and the decor came up really easily. You could always repipe the spots that looked bad too. For finishing touches, I used some glitter to act like sprinkles to really give it the finished look. I love how they turned out, and who knew a coffee cup with some spackling could turn out to look like this? If you have gotten this far in the video, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to make this craft as I did doing it. It really was a lot of fun and a different craft project for me. I will see you guys next week for yet another Dollar Tree craft video. See ya!